Garment Creator's built-in software for job estimated cost. We will cover why you should use it. First, load a graphic and set your preferred settings. Once you are done, you can see your estimated cost for the graphic. You will go up to the top left section of the Garment Creator. Select Job and then Estimate on the dropdown. The estimate window will pop up. Local settings and ink cost should already be set if you purchased from us at Imaging Spectrum, but if you purchased elsewhere, you may have to set them now. This can be done by using the tab next to the dropdown under those sections and hitting New Preset. Plug in the current cost of in and the milliliter size of your ink. Now that the information is set, your cost per milliliter should display. With our ink cost at $275 for an 800 milliliter pouch of ink, our average cost is 34 cents per milliliter. We can also add other costs to your estimate, such as shirts by style or brand, as well as your pre-treat, parchment paper, and labor per shirt. On your display, it says labor says 1 shirt every 6 minutes for me. This means I have an employee who can do 10 dark color t-shirts an hour. It costs me about $1.50 per shirt. Other garments may take a shorter time or a longer time. Depending on the employee's printing, you can select or deselect and even add more costs in these boxes before hitting Estimate Job. Adding different shirt sizes is always a good idea because some sizes can cost $1 or more depending on the brand when you pass XL sizing. You can also deselect the other costs and estimate just what the ink cost is, if that is what you prefer. Personally, I like to add the other cost, so I know what it will cost me per shirt if someone wants an order of 50 shirts in various sizes. Hit Estimate Job, and you will see what this 12-inch wide graphic will cost on the highest settings for dark color t-shirt. If you are ever unsure of what settings you have set, they will be displayed under Job Information. You will not see the overall print quality setting as it reads in the other section. This display shows color print quality level and the white print quality that are under the dropdown on the main page. Now that the software has estimated the job, it will display the separate cost and the total cost, so that you can see the breakdown of the amount and cost under separate. Where total is the sum of all these items together, giving you your cost per shirt depending on your graphic and quality settings. Once again, we used a 12-inch wide graphic with max quality settings. The estimator says we will be using 5.62 milliliters with a cost of $1.93. Adding the other cost items now puts me at 6.86 per shirt. If this were a print-on-demand shop, I could charge 3 to 4 times my cost if the customer was only getting a few shirts. If the customer was getting a bulk amount, I would charge 2 or 3 times that amount, depending on the amount ordered. Of course, the more a customer orders, the lower you can go in sales price. Now that is how to use the estimate tool in Garment Creator.